Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss how to disable data saving mode on YouTube Android. YouTube provides a limit mobile data usage option for conserving data while streaming videos, which can help avoid overage charges on limited data plans. However, some have unlimited data or prefer watching content in higher quality. We will walk through turning off data saving mode on YouTube Android. First, open the YouTube app on your phone or tablet. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Look for Settings, and tap to access available options. Select General to control default features and behaviors. Options for customizing YouTube usage include a toggle for limit mobile data usage, which determines whether data saving mode or unconstrained streaming displays. Turning this switch to the off position enables higher quality streaming without data usage limits. Consider your data allowance and watching preferences to determine whether limiting or unlimiting data better suits you. Data saving mode can be enabled at any time if needed. After reviewing options, turn the switch next to Limit Mobile Data Usage to the left off position to disable data saving mode. Then tap Save at the bottom of the page to apply the setting. YouTube Playback on your Android device will now stream videos in higher quality without data usage limits until enabling data saving mode or adjusting additional settings. The default data usage option can be switched between limited and unlimited going forward as preferred or required. Third-party YouTube apps, themes, or add-ons could potentially introduce security or privacy issues rather than using the official YouTube app and its features. For controlling data streaming, the YouTube app itself provides a simple solution. In summary, to disable data saving mode on YouTube Android, open YouTube, tap the profile icon, select General, turn off Limit Mobile Data Usage, review and tap Save. Your YouTube experience will now stream content in higher quality without bandwidth restrictions, unless data saving mode is enabled or other options adjusted. Let me know if you have any other questions on customizing data usage, managing default settings, or streaming features. I can provide additional guidance on options available in the YouTube app. Thank you for watching. I hope this information was helpful. Have a wonderful day. Please feel free to message us via direct message with other questions. We are here to support streaming services, social media features, and more. Stay safe.